Welcome to the Innovation Sourcing Network Virtual Tech 10 Talk. Today, the ISN is hosting Sheila Lucas from General Dynamics Mission Systems and the Innovation Sourcing Network. Sheila will host an example of a Virtual Tech 10 Talk that discusses the Innovation Sourcing Network. This Virtual Tech 10 Talk is being recorded. There is no information to be shared by Sheila Lucas that is proprietary or import-export controlled. Sheila, please confirm that you certify that all information you are sharing is publicly releasable.
This is Sheila Lucas, and I do confirm that today's talk is publicly releasable information.
At this time, I will turn the presentation over to Sheila Lucas.
Hello, my name is Sheila Lucas with General Dynamics Mission Systems. I have the honor of sharing the evolution story of the EDGE Innovation Sourcing Network, General Dynamics Mission Systems Open Supplier Innovation Ecosystem. General Dynamics Mission Systems is a business unit of General Dynamics, a Fortune 100 company and a top 5 defense contractor and prime systems integrator in the aerospace and defense industry. Our company designs and delivers mission-critical complex technical solutions to our soldiers, sailors, airmen, Marines, federal civilians, and law enforcement personnel. Our products and services are highly customized solutions that must always function when called into use. Our procurement function is driven by federal acquisition regulation, which is equally complex and exacting. We meet stringent requirements during procurements that flow down to our supply base. We have increasing challenges from our customers to utilize small business on every procurement. These challenges drive our innovation commitment and implementation on a daily basis. The Innovation Sourcing Network is our entry and access point for suppliers that want to do business with General Dynamics Mission Systems. The ISN is our open supplier innovation ecosystem that promotes small business identification, discovery of emerging technologies and companies, and is where we forge partnerships that connect industry to our technical and procurement teams. General Dynamics Mission Systems values open collaboration models and commitment to small business, technical innovation, and dynamic partnering. In 2006, the EDGE Innovation Network was the catalyst of our proof of concept for an open collaboration model. The objective was integration of outsized specialized technology into our General Dynamics holistic solutions. Success came in the form of a shot detection system that was fielded in an operational environment that gave soldiers awareness of where enemy fire was coming from downrange. Our next decade shaped and built a network to support our open collaboration. We conducted outreach to academia and small businesses with unique technology. We opened labs in proximity to customer centers of excellence to rapidly prototype new solutions. At the close of the decade, we assessed our open collaboration model and realized it needed alignment within our own business and to our supply chain function. Our collaboration model has been a standalone network of unique technology shops that weren't integrated with our procurement function. In 2017, we undertook the journey to the genesis of the EDGE Innovation Sourcing Network as a part of our supply chain management organization. Why the ISN? We created the EDGE Innovation Sourcing Network to revolutionize how supply chain management would do business in 2017 and the future. We required an operating model that challenged the normal way of doing business. Through the ISN, supply chain management created a mechanism that would spur creative approaches to engage our stakeholders internally and externally to ignite strategic collaboration. Supply chain management needed a vehicle to identify our technology gaps, drive innovation into our process, exploit and harvest supplier technology development, and share it across the enterprise. The framework of a network, the Legacy EDGE Innovation Network, that served internal and external partners was in place and could easily be repurposed and expanded to leverage a decade of company innovation investment into the core of our business, supply chain management. We must be strategic and not tactically focused. Information is power, and putting supplier information into the hands of our technical teams strategically drives early engagement and influences collaboration on business needs. We created an enterprise-wide accessible supplier directory that catalogs supplier capability. We never had an easy-to-use directory of our proven suppliers. If you didn't have access to ERP systems, you didn't know who our suppliers were. Now, anyone in our company can search our database of suppliers, what they do, and how they perform. Our strategic goal is to curb Google nearing and be the source for our technical teams to access supplier innovation and identify untapped supplier potential. Our collaboration with external partners is strengthening our pipeline of opportunities through faster, dynamic collection and dissemination of supplier innovations and capabilities across our enterprise through our Tech Scout portal. Intentionally, we organize our scouting in the Tech Scout portal in a one-for-one match with our commodity strategy, ensuring alignment to leverage spend at the enterprise level and fully engage our strategic relationship management strategy. Our Tech Scout portal is our open access repository for crowdsourced solutions that are outputs from our crowdsourcing. Solutions are rated by technical teams, and in parallel, suppliers vetted and onboarded by our procurement team. In the diagram on the screen, you see how that process works from the Innovation Sourcing Network internal stakeholders and how we communicate externally and then work together as teams to deliver innovative sourcing solutions to our business and to our customers. Solutions and suppliers are pre-qualified against our anticipated requirements, which are our Tech Scouts that we communicate and publish. These pre-qualified suppliers and solutions are a differentiator in our industry. Because we're an engineering business process is a core behavior, we inserted supply chain directly into a core engineering process to engage earlier. The Tech Scout process that you've seen, we've embedded directly into engineering's common process framework at the initial technical solution design. This process crowdsources solution from you, our supply base, and emerging suppliers, as well as proven and current suppliers, to give our technical and procurement teams insight into the art of possible and shape technical solution development with strategically aligned suppliers. We're engaging early to identify the right supplier with the right capabilities that will execute flawlessly. Crowdsourcing has increased competition around ideas, not just pricing. The ISN jumpstarts collaboration and early engagement with suppliers, engineering, and business teams to shape sourcing solutions for major process improvement and to extract supplier innovation. This early engagement allows the supply chain team to leverage trusted partner relationships to influence new business opportunities and improve procurement efficiency. In order to collaborate, we know we must communicate. Through the ISN, we now communicate bidirectionally with our suppliers. This never occurred within supply chain previously. In fact, in a Voice of the Supplier survey, the number one feedback you gave us as suppliers was there was no method to talk with us outside of a very specific procurement activity. We are now regularly sharing Tech Scouts on our Edge Innovation Sourcing Network website. We also are producing a regular supplier monthly newsletter that we share over our website as well. We leverage technology to conduct virtual Tech 10 Talks, where you, our suppliers, record a 10-minute talk, just like today's, about your technology, its benefits, and application to our team. Our team markets the virtual Tech 10 Talks on our ISN channel on the Tech Scout portal across General Dynamics Mission Systems, across the capture teams, business development teams, technical teams, and our procurement teams. We are opening connections between suppliers and our technical teams that are lightweight, cost-effective, and deliver impactful impressions of you, the supplier, and your capabilities right to our team's desktop. The value we feel the ISN is bringing to stakeholders is paramount as we deliver and incrementally adapt our sourcing ecosystem. To our end users and customers, we're working collaboratively to connect and transition your supplier innovation to ensure technology foraging, exploration of COTS solutions, and small business identification that can be integrated rapidly into a holistic solution. The value we're bringing to our suppliers is a forum for them to promote new capabilities, products, or services to General Dynamics Mission Systems as an entry point and to allow them to build a relationship with a large prime system integrator. To our General Dynamics Mission System enterprise, we are giving access to suppliers' innovative sourcing solutions, and we're expanding opportunities for co-development between our technical teams and our suppliers. To our engineers, program managers, and business developers, we're helping them with fast, efficient, and more comprehensive trade studies by the Tech Scout solutions that our suppliers are providing. We're consolidating access to these previous analysis and decisions, and we are elevating crowdsourcing services to help assess the state of the possible. To our own supply chain management team, there's multifaceted value as we deliver an integrated supply chain to all of our stakeholders, whether internal or external. We have qualified and vetted suppliers that can execute faster with higher quality impact. We're increasing competition around ideas, not just pricing. We reduced our cycle time for vetting and onboarding and exponentially increased our early engagement, collaboration, and teaming opportunities across our enterprise. We encourage you to sign up to participate with the Edge Innovation Sourcing Network. You can do that by visiting our website at www.edge-innovation.com. There are several icons based on how you want to interact with us. Select the one that's most appropriate from your vantage point. Complete the information that we're asking for. From there, we begin our automated process of understanding your team and organization's capabilities and connecting you to opportunities that align with our needs. Once you sign up, you'll be added to our Tech Scout alerts and receive our monthly ISN newsletter. We encourage you to stay connected with our ISN team through Facebook, on Twitter, our handles @EdgeISN, and our LinkedIn group. Become a part of our General Dynamics Mission Systems world-class open supplier innovation ecosystem, the Edge Innovation Sourcing Network. Thank you.
Thank you for joining today's virtual Tech 10 Talk brought to you by the Innovation Sourcing Network. Our ISN channel to watch our virtual Tech 10 Talks on our other technology topics.